It's going to be Jeff and Richard in that order. Practicing, Jeff, for the Huntsman line. Okay, guys, on the tone. One more, please. Thank you. Thank you, Nick. On the tone, less than 5. Jeff off early. Richard following close behind. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it close. You didn't have to follow him in there, Richard. Really, it's not required. You can go straight. Oh, okay. That was a pretty good landing that you stuck there, though, Richard. I was impressed. It's Jeff and Richard, 13.5 to 13.0 for Richard. He picks up half a second that lap, right there. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it rolling. Jeff now gets 4/10 of that back this lap. Nice line, guys. Keep it clean. Nice line. Oh! Jeff does the rail ride. Richard goes by on the straightaway. Right together. This one is close. They touch on the straightaway. Jeff gets by through the switchback around the first post and down into the hairpin. Stick with him, Richard. Keep it close. Oh, he's right there. He almost touched him. Going onto the straightaway. Oh. I can't even comment on that. That was just brutal. 18-3 to a 19-1. Pick it up, Richard. Follow him home. Put 4 turns in the straightaway. How many turns will he put in this time? None! That's the fast line, Jeff. Take 20 feet out of the track right there. 13.6 to a 13.6 last time. Richard on the outside. Boy, how the heck did you do that, Richard? We've got 3 minutes and 15 seconds to go. It's Jeff and then Richard. 13.8 to a 13.5. Richard chips away 3/10 of a second there. The margin 4.7 seconds. Jeff back to Richard. Jeff with a 13.3 that time. Richard with a 13.4. Keeping it evenly paced right now with 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Can Richard eat into that lead? That's the question. Jeff keeping it clean now with a 13.3. Let's see what Richard does. A 13.2. These guys are keeping it rolling around there. Just about evenly paced. 13.2 for Jeff that time. 13.5 for Richard. Both cars working lap 17 right now with 2 minutes to go. Your pace is a 26.603 to a 26.610. Jeff picks up 6/10 that lap. A little squirrely on the straightaway that time. 14.2 to a 13.4. Richard picks up 8/10 of a second. The margin now 4.3 seconds. 13.7 that time. Let's see what Jeff does when he comes around. Can't Richard eat into that anymore? 13.4. Through the penalty box goes Jeff. We got 1 minute 15 seconds to go. The margin remains 4.7 seconds now. These guys are staying just about half a track apart. Richard on his lid. That will not help. He had a 13.5-second lap. This one will be way longer than that. You don't make a lot of time on your lid. Yeah. A 16-second lap, Richard. The rollovers are not the quick way to go. 13.5 for Jeff, and we got 35 seconds to go. Only a disaster can keep Huntsman from winning this one. Or only a miracle can keep Richard from not winning. $13.0 for Huntsman the last time by, $13.5 this time with 10 seconds to go. Richard with a 13.7. That's it, folks. Jeff, you are done. Waiting for Richard. Jeff takes it with a 26.601 to a 26.610. Big finish for Huntsman. Matt, I don't think we need a safety barrier. I think we need a net. Two-wheel drive truck A, bring him up.
What was my best lap, Joe? That last 13 laps?
12.8.
12.8. Wow. 17.2. 17.2. What's that? Your fast lap? That was your fast lap. That was all that was 5 seconds.
Matt, we need to do anything with the camera here?